Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Chase QuickDeposit for faster payout verification, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have your Chase mobile banking app installed on your device. Open the Chase app and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the account section on the home screen. From there, locate the QuickDeposit option within your account settings. Tap on QuickDeposit to access the setup page. You may be prompted to enable camera access if you haven't done so already. Grant the necessary permissions to allow the app to use your device's camera. Next, review the terms and conditions for using QuickDeposit. Carefully read through the agreement and ensure you understand the withdrawal limits and fees. After reviewing, tap on the Agree button to proceed. Now, input your bank account details where you want the deposits to be directed. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any delays. Confirm your account information by tapping Next on the bottom of the screen. You may receive a verification code via email or SMS. Retrieve the code from your email or messages and enter it in the designated field. After entering the code, tap Verify to confirm your identity. Once verified, you will receive a confirmation message showing that QuickDeposit is now authorized. To test the feature, return to the QuickDeposit option and attempt an initial deposit. Take a clear picture of the front and back of your check as prompted by the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the deposit process. Finally, review the confirmation screen to ensure your deposit was successful. Your QuickDeposit feature is now set up for faster payout verifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.